afternoon, everyone.
Good
I want
afternoon.
to share this from our Isurus Academy for P1F point. First P is mean with positive. This is not only apply in our work, but apply also in our normal life. If we can apply this 4 point, our life will be more peaceful, more better. So the first point is positive. We need to always think positive. The second P is proactive and productive and perseverance. The first point for positive is I have example, just example. When we came to this hotel, actually the room already set up for all of us, but except for I think me and Eric not set up, so not ready yet. But I'm still thinking positive lah. Maybe there is something behind. Then after that, my room is got upgrade to the deluxe.
Wow.
Yeah. So just example lah. Maybe we need to think every case positively. So same also with the market now, mining, oil and gas down. We still need to think also with positive. And for the 1F is focus. We need to focus on our 333, 3 of our key agency product, 3 best feature, and 3 competitor. The next one on the outer circle, we have STS. It means the first S is share and care. So among our all colleagues, we need to share and care. And the T is for trust. We need to trust also to each other. And the last S is, yeah, we need to follow our SOP.
Okay, very good.